I am going to show you how I accomplished this look today. I'm going to do this very quick. No, I'm not actually, because my makeup tutorials are never quick.
So I did wash my face already. If you want my skincare routine, just comment down below. Not that I have the best skin, because I do look a little dry here, even though I did just finish putting SPF on. But I'm going to go in with my Fenty Hydrating Primer. I actually just bought this. It's my second time using it. I do love it because it does provide a lot of hydration, as you will see on the skins. So check it out.
I'm using the color, it's semi-matte, and it's the color Macao. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but this is it. And I'm going to put, I don't put that much on my face. Okay, so now I'm going in with my, I'm gonna conceal. I'm using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. It's Too Faced. I guess I should say that. But yeah. So now that my concealer is blended in, I like to go over my under eyes with this the Tarte Shape Tape, because I want my under eyes to look a little bit lighter. So I just do a little bit on the bags part. It's so annoying though, because like as soon as I conceal, I get creases like immediately in my eyes.
So here I am using my Laura Mercier setting powder. I am baking right now to just try and get some of those creases out and set my concealer.
I also like to do my laugh lines because I have those. Me personally, I like my face a little more defined. So I use
the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit in medium, as you see here. I've had it for a long time. As you can see, the front two are empty. So I'm going to use the brown, this darker brown at the end right here to contour my face.
And what I do is I kind of like make my face, like I try to like bring out my cheekbones more so that I can line along my cheekbone. Hold on. So guys, as you can see, I just like kind of drew a line kind of like where I wanted the definition on my face to be, which is like underneath my cheekbones, and then I'm gonna blend that out. But that was with the cream. For my nose, I like to contour my nose, and I'm gonna use this to contour my nose because it gives me a better definition. So I am going to take a little bit of this. I'm going to go from the top of the eyebrow down.
Don't worry guys, I will put all the names of the products that I've been using down below in case some of the products didn't have like the stuff on it, so I couldn't read it off to you, but I will have it down below.
Like this, pretty much, if you can see. I'm gonna blend it out, obviously. And then I like to do under my nose. So that's how I do the nose, like that. And then I start blending. I'll spray that on the brush just to wet the brush a little bit. And then I'll blend like this. Once again, we can fast forward through this. Okay, so now my cheeks are blended, as you can see. It does give me that nice like look. You can't see it yet, but you'll see it later. I am gonna blend out my nose now. Looks good. So that's my nose. I am going to now brush off this powder off my face. So I'm taking my Morphe, whatever it is, palette. I love this palette, but it's like, it's been worn back, but this is it. It's 35F. It's like all warm colors.
I've taken this thing on so many trips. It's broken, cracked. Like, as you can see, my thing is cracked at the top, like, okay? Like, even my colors have worn out. I'm going to use
this, I don't know if you can see it. It's this, like kind of brown color. It's like the closest to my actual color. I like to use that on my lid to just bring out my lid a little more. You guys can't see it. So this color right here, like if you can see right here, it's a little dark burgundy-ish kind of. So I'm gonna use this color right here. It's like it's almost like the same color. I'm just using that color to bring out this color. So I'm gonna show you, if I get up a little bit closer you could see. It's like, see, it's like pretty much the same color, but it's just bringing it out a little more. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for my eyes is I'm going to take just a blend between, I guess a gradient you could say, between this color here and a darker brown here, these two, okay? So I'm going to take the lighter brown, just a dab, because I have that base color on my eye already, so like any color is gonna show up really well, and I don't like a lot of pigment on my lashes, but I'm just gonna go along right here, blend it out, go to the crease like so. I'm not gonna go all the way to the end because I am gonna blend it into that darker brown. Now that that's done, I'm going to add the darker brown to the end just to give a little contrast like that, just to blend in a little bit. Look, is that my lash coming off? Yes, it is. But this, I just go in the crease like a V this way, pretty much.
going for with the eye, which I'm giving a little bit. I'm going to blend that a little bit. I'm going to do the other eye. Do the same V look. Like that. I'm sorry that I look in these bigger mirror, guys, because I can't really get like a good view of what's happening here.
So that's the eye I'm going for. And then because I like that like spicy look, I like to take this kind of angled brush. It looks like this. And I'm taking this MAC palette. You can see it. I don't know what MAC palette it is. There's nothing on the back. Like I said, my makeup I've had for decades, but I'm going in with this darker color, and I'm going to put some right along my bottom lash line. Alright guys, my eyebrows are done. I did do my eyebrows because they take a little while and I never could get them like even, but here we are. They don't look so bad today. If you guys need an eyebrow tutorial, let me know. Comment below anything you want. I will give you guys. I am a giving person. I'm going to warm up my face a little bit. I just bought this Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty. I'm sure you guys heard of it. So I'm just gonna take this and warm up my face a little bit. I always do this because I just like up here to like fall in line with the rest of my face. And then whatever is left on the brush, just go around a little bit. Now I'm going to put a little highlighter on, highlight my face a little bit. But what I like to do is using, this is my favorite, but it's almost done. Well, it's practically dried up. It's the Great Lash. You can get this from Walgreens, Walmart, Target, anywhere. It is Maybeline Great Lash, and I'm using Big Very Black. Now I'm going to try oh, it's not that bad. I'm going to try to define. Okay guys, so this is 85% of the look. I finished my lashes. I added some under as well, and I blended out my highlight. As you can see, I sprayed some of the Badesco for a little glow. I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray and set my face. And I am now going to add my red lip. This is my favorite red lip. It is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in But before I put this on, because it is lip stain and it does dry really well, but it gets really dry, I do put chapstick on. Just a layer. And then I go in with the lip stain. I line my lips with it first. If you want to overline it, you can. Love this. You see it's drying already. This is the final look. This is the face.